Okay, so now we have written our planning page. We've done our introduction, and now we need to write our rough draft. So this is going to be our meat. So like if you think of a cheeseburger without the meat, it's kind of pointless. So we are going to write our examples and our reasons in this next part of our writing. You can write this on the same page that you wrote your introduction. So remember that I was talking about how teachers and students should have every Friday off. So now I need to go back to my reasons that I wrote, and I need to write them in complete sentences. So I could say, my first reason is that teachers and students get more done. Also, my students will have more time to play. And will be more ready to learn at school. Another reason is I want to play with Ty more. My last reason, hold on, let me start that one over. My last reason is that students will complete more work. I ran out of room, sorry. So I gave my reasons, my 4 reasons that I put in my planning page, and I turned them into complete sentence. So I have linking words like also and. You can also use because, another, last, first. So it's important to use those linking words so that they know what you're going to talk about and when you're going to talk about it. So for this one, you need 4 sentences, and you're only going to be doing that today. We will do the closing tomorrow. So all you have to do today is your 4 sentences that has your 4 reasons in complete sentences. All right, get to work.